In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to an image in Constant Contact. Whether you're promoting a new product, sharing a blog post, or simply enhancing your email communications, linking an image can be an effective way to engage your audience. Let's get started by walking through the steps to add that all-important link to your image. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Constant Contact on Google. Once you find the website in your search results, click on the link to navigate to the Constant Contact homepage. If you haven't already, log in using your account credentials. Simply click on the login button and input your required information. This will bring you to the Constant Contact dashboard, a central hub where you can manage all your email marketing campaigns. Once logged in, locate the Create button. This is where you'll begin the process of sending a new email. After clicking Create, you'll see several options. Choose the Send an Email option to start composing a new email campaign. You'll then be offered a few templates. For this tutorial, we'll go with Start from blank. This choice gives you maximum flexibility to design your email. Now, it's time to insert your image. Find the image block from the available components and simply drag it into the blank email template. This step allows you to add any image you wish to use and customize it accordingly. After positioning your image block, click on it to open editing options. Here's where the magic happens, adding the link. In the image block's toolbar, you'll see a link icon. Click on it and a new window will appear. You can decide to link to a web page or choose another option that suits your purpose. For web page links, select that option and proceed to paste your desired URL in the provided field. For enhanced engagement, consider enabling the click segmentation option. This feature allows you to track who clicks on the image link, providing valuable insights into your audience's behaviors and preferences. To do this, simply click the checkbox that enables click segmentation. Next, you have the option to decide which contact list will receive this email. There is a drop-down list from which you can choose Select a Contact List. Click on it and make your choice from the available contact lists. Once you've selected your desired list, click on Insert to finalize the placement of the link within your image. And there you have it. You've successfully added a link to your image in Constant Contact, enhancing your email content's interactivity. By following these steps, you can guide your audience to further engage with your content, driving them directly to your products, services, or any online destinations of your choice. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.